they work together very well. But Andrew Elkridge Jr. is the guy who got credit because he was the next guy in charge. Now that map over there is a print from the original copper plate from 1792 from the closest major city to Washington, D.C. that could do that kind of fine engraving on copper, and that was Philadelphia. Okay. Who's been to Williamsburg? Williamsburg, the way it is restored, that's a two-horse town, right? The historic city is not a very big cosmopolitan. You know, that was the capital of Virginia at this time, and it was not a big city. Richmond isn't there yet. Washington, D.C., of course, doesn't exist, and Baltimore has just been incorporated. It's a little town. Okay, it's growing. It's growing because Elkridge Landing has silted, but it's still a little town. We go to Philadelphia to get this done. Now, I come from a family of printers, and I'm actually a German pressman as well, as a chef. And banknotes and very important stock certificates would be engraved on stone, so you couldn't copy them very easily. Something that was very important was done on copper. And then something that was less important was done with movable type, because you're going to change it tomorrow, and maybe even later today. So that's what you use movable type for. Newsprint and things that were handbills and things like that. So this is the most expensive means of doing something, a document that is very important to people. So to every new state, to every territory that's going to become a state, to every foreign country that's going to send an embassy here, they get a plan of the new capital city of the United States, and it says Mr. Elkridge. It doesn't say Pierre L'Enfant anywhere. You can look at that plan. That's the one they did. Now, selling lots to speculators. It sounds like a little bit like modern real estate kind of thing. Speculating on land was a huge thing back then. Almost all the payment that George Washington received for his services with the British during the French and Indian Wars, and some of his militia work after that, was all in land. Speculated land in the Ohio Valley. Some of it he surveyed, some of it was places he'd never seen. And he spent the rest of his adult life trying to make money selling that land that he was given for more than its value. So this was, we think it's a little strange what they did, but it's not unusual for that era. People were speculating land all the time.